Hey y'all, so today I'm coming at you with a real quick video sharing with you how to do some really quick simple head wrap styles for my girls out there who wear wigs and weaves and just do not feel like doing their closure. Okay, this hair is from Klaiyi hair. I have in 3 24-inch bundles as well as a 20-inch closure, and this is their Brazilian curly texture, which is super natural looking. It's kinky, it's curly, it's big, it's long, and your girl is just feeling it. But what I'm not feeling is having to lay this closure. I never feel like laying a closure, which is why I like to throw a little head wrap right on top of my wigs to make some real cute styles. So y'all be sure to check the description box for more information about this hair. Let's go ahead and hop right on into it.